Did you know that timing is as important as what you eat? Yes, it's true. The hour of the day when you consume your meals can profoundly impact your health and well-being. This surprising fact is the cornerstone of the groundbreaking book, What to Eat When, by Dr. Michael Roizen and Dr. Michael Krupan. So, let's dive into this fascinating journey of food, time, and health. The book kicks off by explaining that our bodies follow a circadian rhythm, a natural internal process that regulates the sleep-wake cycle and repeats roughly every 24 hours. It turns out that this rhythm is not just about sleep. It also affects our metabolism, dictating when our bodies are best equipped to break down and absorb nutrients. The authors then introduce us to the concept of chrono-nutrition, a method of eating in sync with our body's internal clock. They argue that we should consume most of our food when the sun is shining, as our metabolism works best during daylight hours. Dr. Roizen and Dr. Krupan effectively weave scientific facts with practical advice. They provide a detailed 28-day plan designed to reset your metabolism and establish healthier eating habits. The plan includes tasty recipes, shopping lists, and tips on how to manage your eating schedule in real-life scenarios. One of the most captivating aspects of What to Eat When is its empowering message. The authors emphasize that food is not the enemy. Instead, it's a powerful tool that we can use to enhance our health, energy, and longevity. They advocate for a diet rich in whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and emphasize the importance of mindful eating. The book also tackles common dietary dilemmas, such as how to handle cravings and how to eat healthily when dining out or traveling. The authors provide practical, easy-to-follow advice, ensuring that readers can apply the principles of chrono-nutrition to any situation. In conclusion, What to Eat When is more than just a book. It's a lifestyle transformation tool. It offers a novel perspective on diet and health, challenging conventional wisdom, and providing actionable strategies to improve your well-being. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your relationship with food, consider giving What to Eat When a read. Incorporate its principles into your life. You might be surprised by how much your health and happiness can improve simply by changing when you eat. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also about when you eat. And that, dear listeners, is food for thought.